Hey guys, it's Katherine here again and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I fill in my brows. So if it's something that you're interested in, then definitely keep on watching. So guys, first off, of course you need your wipe because I like to just clean off. Then next, you're going to need your spoolie. I always use like a primer, and so that's why you can see the Pond's primer. I use primer on my brows, so like I'm doing this process the same way I would have done on my brows because I tend to get oily around that area. You're going to need your concealer, you're going to need your blending brush. So basically those are the things you'll be needing. Then I apply the exact shade of foundation on the brows. So like I like to apply the exact shade of foundation on the brows just to give it like a natural clean finish. I go over it with my LCMA setting powder. So I like to do that as well because it helps to like keep the oil in. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you have any questions for me, please do well to leave it in the comments below and I'll definitely get around to answering your questions. I love to see your questions, so don't forget to ask me your questions in the comments. If there's anything that you already incorporate into your brow routine, do let me know as well in the comments, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not leave this video without subscribing to my channel. Okay? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.